This is not a clickbait. We do need gutter installers, gutter cover installers to be exact. Here's the deal. Our number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 videos on YouTube. It's actually not a roofing videos, it's a gutter videos. We have very simple explanation for it. Gutter is more popular keyword, more people are searching for it. And to be honest with you, there are way more gutter products that have failed and people are just tired of it. People replace gutter covers way more often than they do roofs. And they're confused. And we understand that confusion. That's why we did those videos a couple years ago, and every year we keep uploading new video on the gutter covers explaining what works and what doesn't work, because homeowners keep going to the stores buying products that are going to fail them year or two later, and we're here at Roofing Insights want to help them to make sure that they install something that actually will last for years to come to complement their roofing system. So when we did originally best and worst gutter covers, we recommended micromesh, and we actually partnered up with a company called Leaf Solutions. The problem that we have, and we didn't realize we have the problem, is people who watch those reviews and those recommendations did go to Leaf Solutions, but Leaf Solution works with the contractors, not the homeowners. So it's a wholesale company, and you can buy micromesh from some other brands. We do recommend Leaf Solution because it's one of the best brands on the market. There's a few competitive companies, but companies like Leaf Filter are just way overpriced. You're gonna pay 3 times what you should pay. Watch our videos on Leaf Filter, you will understand what I'm talking about. But Roofing Insights pretty much looking for trustworthy contractors who are willing to learn and invest their time to understand how to properly install Leaf Solutions, and we're actually adding Leaf Solutions to our Roofing Insights directory. For those homeowners who are looking for trustworthy contractors to install gutter covers, you can go to our directory, Roofing Insights directory, and find a roofer who can install gutter covers. The reason I recommend roofers for gutter cover jobs because they can be licensed, they can be insured, they actually know what they're doing, they work in the heights, and to be honest with you, a lot of times it's part of the roofing system. It's right there at the starter, and a lot of gutter guys actually mess up warranties of roofing. There's actually a few products that completely interfere with the first row of shingles, so there's nothing wrong with the roofers installing gutter products. If you're the roofer and you want to be on our directory, reach out to us. I'm going to put all information below. We want to list quality contractors on our directory, and for those of you guys who are looking for gutter cover installers, you can find trusted roofer on our directory and you can see the brands they install. If it says Leaf Solutions next to their name in their listing, it means that they are registered with Leaf Solution. And while you cannot buy direct from Leaf Solutions, you can buy it from contractors, and my promise to you that you're gonna get fair price, good quality, and I stand behind Leaf Solution myself. So contractors, reach out. Homeowners, if you need Leaf Solutions because you need good gutter covers, I promise you, you will not be disappointing. That product will last for years. All the information about Directory and Leaf Solution is going to be in description below or in comments. You can always reach out to us. We'll have conversation with you. Whether you're a homeowner or the contractor, we're here to connect homeowners' needs with the best contractors. I'm here to help, and if my contractors will mess up the job, I personally will guarantee it with my own money. $20,000 guarantee applies to gutter jobs as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so you don't miss our sick content.